So our little guy's getting ready to come home. Our little sprout. Look, his hat doesn't fit right. He's so little. He's down to 5 pounds, 11 ounces.
This probably can't be over his
No.
belly button thing, right?
Right. Little sprout. You may need to fold it down. Yeah, do that. Like all the way around, so it... Yeah, that's fine. Now put him in his Julian blanket.
Or you put socks on.
They're here. These little boots. These things are not gonna fit. What is this outfit we've concocted? None of it matches.
Where is the...
Look how little. Look how big my hand is to his belly. It's so sweet. Let me go to the other side so I can see his sweet little face. Such a thing. Hi, gorgeous.